How to switch desktops on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In Windows 11, you can switch between virtual desktops using several methods. Virtual desktops allow you to organize and separate your application into different desktop environments, which can help improve productivity and declutter your workspace. So if you wish to switch between desktops, here is a quick way. First of all, you can create multiple desktops by pressing in Ctrl plus Windows plus D, and by pressing this, you can create multiple desktops as you wish. You can also cross any desktop that you do not require. The first way by which you can switch between the different types of desktop is you can use the three gestures on the touchpad. For that, you just have to place the three fingers on the touchpad and swipe left and right to switch between the desktop. Similarly, the next way is using a shortcut for the keyboard. For this, you just have to press N Ctrl plus Windows key plus left arrow or right arrow to switch between the left desktop or the right desktop. If you cannot find the task view, just right click on the taskbar and then go to the taskbar settings. Once that is done, you will land to the settings page. Make sure to toggle on the option of task view and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.